For desktop user, you have to open paintbrush and select pencil tool, and here you can select size of pencil tool also. Now I'm making diya with the help of pencil tool. You can select any color instead of black color. I'm making a diya boundary with the help of black color and with pencil tool. I have done one diya. Now I'm making one more diya with the help of pencil tool only. I have done, but this is not correct, so I am removing this with the help of undo option from the left side. Undo to remove last action. I'm making again. I have done undo. That means if you want to remove last action, you can press that option. You can use that undo option. Now my second diya is also ready. Now I'm using oval tool to make some patterns. Here you can use square, you can use pencil tool only, and you can make zigzag lines, you can make stars. Means whatever you want to make inside the diyas, and if you don't want, then also okay. Now with the help of color bucket tool, I will fill color. I selected shade of red color. Here also I'm selecting the light shade of the same color, and now yellow color. Fine. Now here the one more tool is, that is text tool. In the app, that text tool is defined with T, but here is defined with A. After selecting text tool, draw a text box, and here the size of text is 150. I want to reduce the size, so you can click on the arrow, or by keyboard also you can write. So here text box defined with A, capital A, and after that you can select the color also, you can reduce the size also, or you can increase the size of your text box. So here I want 50 only. As you can see, I'm selecting red color now. Happy Diwali. Here you have to use keyboard and you write H and D capital. You can move with the help of four-headed arrow, and you can reduce the size also with the help of double-headed arrow. So here my drawing is complete. Now you can save this with the help of file option. You can save anywhere. I'm sa- uh, I'm saving this on desktop. Save as. I'm selecting desktop, and I'm giving this name as Happy Diwali, and save. So thank you so much, children. Bye bye, and please try this at home. Bye. Thank you so